Hey guys, welcome to another new vlog. In this video, we'll be unboxing Zebronics Soundbomb's ZEB3 model. It comes with 13mm drivers, call function, and 12 plus hour playtime. It comes with various colors, that is red, green, blue, etc. I purchased this green color, and it comes with Type-C charging. It is splash proof, it is waterproof. It has Bluetooth 5.2 and a step touch control, and it has a portable charging case, and rest of the things like its price MRP listed on the box is 3499, which comes with a discounted price in Flipkart. You can purchase it from there. Let's open the box and see the contents inside. So guys, we have opened the box, and we can see a manual kind of thing that has Hrithik Roshan, the brand ambassador of Zebronics, and other things like you can see a charging cable, that is a Type-C charging cable, and now we can see the charging case. Let's open it. So you can see two earbuds. So guys, these were the contents that were inside the box, and I will give you a review of the sound quality in another vlog. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. I will see you in another video. Bye bye. See you. Take care.